Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SDMES Boys English Medium Primary School. Academic year 2020-21 for assessment test. For standard 1 and 2, that is unit 6, and for standard 3 to 8, unit 8, an online exam. Motivation of the year: do what you can with what you have and where you are. Dear students and parents, due to COVID-19 pandemic, as we all know that schools are shut off since March 2020 till date. On 5th June 2020, Gujarat Government Education Department issued a circular that all the students are directed to do home study with online education to be provided with help of mobile and internet by school teachers. And with due respect above circular, the Surat District Muslim Education Society has given instruction to all group of schools to conduct the study for student at home from 8 June 2020 by using WhatsApp application. So students, I will explain you how the exam will be conducted. So the exam will be conducted at home under the supervision of the parents. Okay? The answer have to be written neatly according to the proper sequence of the questions in A4 size paper. There is no need to buy a supplementary. Okay friends, you have to write your answers in a A4 size paper. Each student has to write school name, roll number and standard details. Answer sheets will be checked by our teachers and the marks obtained will be conducted in the annual result. So all the students have to compulsory appear for this assessment test. Students who won't give exam will be mentioned as absent. Now please friends, fill up the first page according to the given format. Okay? Name, your standard and division, date, subject, parent signature and teacher's signature. Okay friends? Now this is the timetable and syllabus for standard 1. Date and day, subject and syllabus, and each subject carries 25 marks. So 27th April 2021 on Tuesday, English and chapter 3 to 8. 28th April 2021 on Wednesday, Maths chapter 3 to 8. Timetable and syllabus for standard 2. 27th April 2021 on Tuesday, subject English and chapter 4 to 6. 28th April on Wednesday, subject Maths chapter 3 and 4. Now timetable and syllabus for standard 3. 27th April 2021 Tuesday, subject EVS and chapter 9 to 21, means chapter number 19, 20 and 21. There are 3 chapters. Timetable and syllabus for standard 4. 27th April Tuesday, subject English, lesson number 5 to 9, and 28th April 2021 on Wednesday, subject Maths and chapter 10 to 14. Timetable and syllabus for standard 5. 27th April Tuesday, subject English and your lesson 6 to 10. 28th April 2021 on Wednesday, subject Maths and chapter number 10 to 14. Timetable and syllabus for standard 6. 27th April 2021 on Tuesday, English and syllabus, chapter number 9, A Game of Chance, and poem number 9, Vocation. Chapter number 10, Desert Animals, and its poem, What If. Okay. 28 April 2021, okay friends, on Wednesday. Subject Maths and chapter number 9 to 14. Got it friends? Now timetable and syllabus for standard 7. 27th April 2021 on Tuesday, subject English and chapter 9 and 10. Okay, there are two chapters only, chapter number 9 and chapter number 10 in English. 28th April 2021 on Wednesday, subject Maths and chapter number 10 to 15, and timetable and syllabus for standard 8. On 27th April 2021 Tuesday, subject English and chapter 8 to 10, and 28 April 2021 on Wednesday, subject Math and chapter number 12 to 16. Okay friends? Now, what's the date of submission? So, date of submission, standard 1st to 8 on 1st May 2021 Saturday, and timing 9 to 11 am. Here is one note also, wearing mask is compulsory friends, and please keep social distancing. Okay, got it friends? Allah Hafiz.